Hello friend, welcome back. In this video, I will solve another problem. Like if you go to our home page and in our home page that is our category. So if you now open that category details post, like here you can see it's now perfectly visible on particular that position, and also it's now showing as a related news. Okay, so it's now perfectly working on here, but some of the post it may not work. Like here if you go to that mobile category this post, so that is actually perfectly work. Okay, but if you go to the another post, like there is a football category, so now I just open that, so now it's also perfectly visible. So like here there is another one, so I just open it. Now here you can see it gets some of the error. So it's now actually showing as a trying to get property name. So here you have to actually assign that name. Here you can see that is actually one of the error in our font details blade.php. So we have to update like some of the post. Actually you may face some of the issues. Like here I just open it, you can see there is also display some of the error, but if you open that post it should be work. Like here you can see it's now working. So some of the post actually he gave some of the error, for he didn't get the our property ID, so that is a name ID. So now I open it, so here that is also work. Okay, like some of the post it made different. Like here there is a cricket post, I get some of the same error, so that is actually the get property name object. So trying to get property name object, and also this one here you can see there is a showing as a trying to get property name. So and also if you like open it, like I just open, so it's working. And this one, so this one is also working. So there is another category, so now open it, so then that is also working. And if you go that post, and here you can see that is also showing the same error. So how can fix it? So you have to work in our details, that details blade.php. So how can solve that issues? In this video I will show you that things with the live example. For doing this, first of all we have to go to our details blade.php page. So now I open it. Like if you go to our view, that is a fountain, and in our fountain that is our details page I already created. So that is our details blade.php. And details blade here I display that. Like here there is our related news. Okay, so that is the related news, and here that is our post. Like there is a post title, so that is our post creator name. Okay, and also here I just defining as a post short description, that is also post short description, and that is the post count. And here I also defining that is the category name. Here you can see there is a display the category name, and this category name where exactly I did it. Like here there is actually for each. In our for each here you can see I just defining as a related news, so that is our news. I just defining as news, and with this news here I just defining as a category name. So some of the time in the Laravel it didn't get that property. Okay, so you have to allocate it when you actually using that array. Like if you go to that one of the controller, in our controller I created that related news. Like if you go to that controller, then it should be very much clear to you. Like if here if you go to that our controller I created as a details, that means details page. And in our details page here you can see I just defining that post with the creator and the categorize and the comment. And also for the post I just defining as a creator, category, and the comments. So that's all I just defining with the array. Okay, for the reasons if you want to display your name property you have to define that things with the array. So how can display it? I will show you. Like here I want to open it our details page again. Like that is our details page, and in the details page what exactly I use the name. Like here I just define that name with the creator, and you can see there is a creator I just defining on here. So that is our creator, so I just define the creator as a one of the array. So now we have to defining that name on particular that position with using the array. Like here now I want to do, I just remove it. Okay, and here I just defining the start bracket, and in particular that position I just defining that name. So here I just defining that name. I hope you can well understand about it. So we have to actually update that all name with this property, then he will actually get that property, and that is in our page. So and also I define another one. like there is a post, that is a related news. In our related news, I also display the category name. Here you can say I just define the category name. So you also have to do that work. Like here, I just defining it with the name. Okay, I just defining with the name with this array, and also is that any other? There is a name. You can see there is also the category creator name. So here I also defining it. So I just find the update it with this one. I just defining that name. I just defining that name. So as I told you, there is a creator and there is a category. All the things actually comes from our this page. That means that our controller details page controller. In our details page controller, I just define this creator, this category as an array. Okay. So now we have to actually update that things on particular that position with the name as an array. So here I updated the name. Here I also updated it, and in this page. There is a comment, so there is the add comments, this is view. So now let's check this out. Like there is a creator, so here I have to also update it. So here I just update the name. Okay, I just update the name on particular that position, and now let's check this out. I just click on the save all. So I updated our details plate.php. Now I refresh that page. Yes, now you can see it's perfectly now visible on here. And also this one other one, so I just refresh it. Yeah, it's now perfectly on particular that position, and now I refresh it. Yeah, that is also perfect. So I hope you can well understand about it. So now every post should be work. So now if you refresh that page again, now here there is a cricket, so they have some of the issues. Now open it. And now here you can see it's now perfectly visible. So here there is our another post. So let's check this out. Every post should be now work perfectly. Here I open it. I open it. So I open that. There is another national. There is sports category. So I just open that sports category news. So you can see there is every post is now perfectly visible and also showing that related news. That is our another related news as sports. So that is our another one, that is sports. Okay, and also there is another one is a national. It's now perfectly visible. So there is a golf category. So every post is now perfectly visible. I hope how can do that work, how can handle that error. I already discussed about that things with you. As I told you, if I get any error, then I will solve it, and I will always keep that course up to date for you. So it will be very much interactive. Okay. And if you get any issues, just let me know about it. I will create another video and add that video into this session. So as I told you, this session is for the bonus all that videos and updated all that videos and also problem handling all that videos I just added into this section. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.